everyone, welcome back to Codex Academy. I am Umansh Agarwal, and today we are going to make one of the classic and most exciting mini game in Scratch, the rock paper scissors game. In this project, you will learn how to make the computer choose rock, paper, or scissors randomly. Let the player pick their move using buttons. Compare both choices to decide the winner and display fun results with cool effects and sounds. So, are you ready to build your own rock, paper, scissors game and challenge your friends? But before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who love Scratch games. Alright, let's jump into Scratch and start coding. So, now let's start to make our rock, paper, and scissor game. First, I'll delete the sprite because we don't need it. Now I'll upload a backdrop that is our play area. I will open it and here is it. So now we don't need to make it. Now I'll delete this backdrop one because we don't need it. Now go to codes and if you want to take the same background, the link is in the description so you can take from there. Now I'll upload a sprite. First I'll take our player hands. Here is it and now I'll go to its costume and now upload a costume that is the other one. Okay, put the player hand at the fourth number. Now I'll increase the size and I'll turn this to straight. Okay, and I will put this above the center over here. Okay, now of the rock, I'll do the same. I'll put this here. For the player hand, the same. Put this above. And now the same thing for the paper. I'll turn it, put it up over here. Perfect. Done. And now again I'll upload a sprite that is our buttons. Select all and open. Okay, the size is too big. So I'll do the size 50 of all of them. Okay, now I'll go to its costumes and see if this is centralized because we want it to be centralized. And now all the sprites are centralized. So I'll set the position of this. So the paper will be over here, x0 and y minus 135. Go to rocks. Our y should be minus 135. Our x should be minus 120 and the same for scissors. The y should be minus 135 and the x should be 120. Okay, the positions are set. And now I'll upload our last sprite that is our robot hand. Go to its costumes and now I'll take the robot hand, the same thing we are doing which we did to our player hand. Put it here. Okay, done. And now upload costume that is our robot paper, robot rock and our robot scissor. And I'll take my robot hand at the last because we need it at the last. Now I'll put this like this. Put it here. Straight form, we want that. And now the same thing for scissors. Okay, straight. Put it here. And now for the rock. I will turn it and now put it above. And done. This is what we want. Now let's go to the codes and start coding. So now we'll set the direction and position of our player hand. The direction of player hand should be 180 and the x position is minus 300 and y 0. Now go to robot hand. The direction should be 0. The x position should be 300 and the y position is going to be 0. Okay, now let's start the coding. As always, we take when flag click. Then go to looks, switch backdrop to play area, then show and switch costume to player hand. And after switch costume to player hand, go to motion, take point in direction 180 and then go to x minus 300 y 0. So after that, just take this code to the robot hand as well. And just remove switch backdrop to play area block. And put the rest in the when flag click. So our position are set. Now go to rock and we will set position in the coding. Over here we have already set. Okay. Now we are going to take when flag clicked. The same in the rock. We are going to take show from looks. Then variables. Now go to variables and take a new variable named round active. It's for all sprites and just click OK. Now here is the round active. Now you must be thinking that what is round active for now? Why we are using this? The reason we are using this, when our hand will shake, then it means the round is going on. So set the round active to yes, means the round is going. Then you can't click any button. For that we took the round active variable. So after this, take set round active to no. Okay, I'll write no and then go to control, take forever loop, then my blocks and now create a block named click. So right click and then click on OK. Here is the define click and here is the block click. Now take this block click and put it in the forever loop. This we have taken to make the sprite click, means the rock, paper or scissor click and show that the round is going or not. Means if I click the rock, then the shaking is going on. Then the round active will be yes or else. If the round active is no, then you can click. And now after this, events block when flag clicked, control forever loop, if then else, and in the if then else take a equal to block. In the first one take round active over here, and if round active is equal to yes, then control scroll down, take stop all. Instead of stop all, I will take stop other scripts in sprite. Now in the else, we are going to take click. Means if the round active is no, then click. Now let's move to define click. So in this, go to control, take if then else, and in this blank, go to sensing, take touching mouse pointer. If touching mouse pointer, then look, set brightness effect to -10. And now duplicate this, put it in else, and else set brightness effect to 0. Now let's see the effect, how it will work. Oh, I saw that the robot hand came here. Let me check. I set the x position as 300, but over here I didn't change. So just put 300. And the point in direction also was wrong. So change the point in direction also to 0. Now go to rock and see the effect. When the mouse pointer is touching the rock, the set brightness effect to -10 is working. but not on paper and scissors because we didn't put the code in paper and scissors till now. Now, first we will complete the rocks coding, and after that we will move to paper and scissors. Take a if then and put after set brightness effect to -10, and in the blank go to sensing and take mouse down. If mouse down, then go to events, take a broadcast new message, that is start move. And after broadcast start move, make two variables called player move and robot move. Okay, now we don't need the round active to show. I'll just keep it hide. You can just uncheck it. Now go to player hand and set player move to 4. And now in robot hand also set robot move to 4. Now go to rock. After this the same, set player move to 4 and set robot move to 4. Then control, take wait until operators not sensing mouse down. Wait until not mouse down. After that, go to variables, take set player move to capital R, means rock. And after that, events, broadcast message, take a new message called chosen. Okay, and then set round active to yes from variable. Okay, now see the effect, how it will work. Make the round active show. Okay, I'll click rock. Oh yes, came. Now go to paper, there is blank. So just put exact same in the paper like I am doing. And you can see automatically the blocks are here, the same blocks, and our click block is also here. Now we don't need round active, so we will hide it. Now just one change you have to do. You can see in the define click, set player move to capital R. Instead of capital R, write capital P. That means paper. And now the same thing to scissors. Here is the coding. And now the same change. Set player move to P instead of P. Set player move to capital S. So now we are going to do the code in the player hand, in which we will have the possibility to click the buttons many times. So now we are going to receive our chosen broadcast in events, that is when I receive chosen, go to control, take repeat 3 times, and inside repeat 3 times take repeat 9 times, and inside repeat 9 times go to motion. From motion take turn anti-clockwise 10 degrees, and now duplicate it, take turn anti-clockwise -10 degrees, and see the effect. If I choose, oh, it worked. That's nice. Now I will put this in robot hand when I receive chosen. One thing we have to change. In the down repeat 9, turn anti-clockwise -10 degrees block. Put that inside the first repeat 9, and in the first repeat 9 the block was turn anti-clockwise 10 degrees. Take that block and put in the next repeat 9. So now see. Oh, it worked. Oh, I noticed that the robot hand is in the rock position and it's shaking in the rock position. We don't want that. So first go to the player hand, and then for that take when I receive start move, looks, switch costume to player hand. The same thing will go to the robot hand. When I receive start move, switch costume to robot hand. And now see the effect. Oh, nice! It's working. Now again go to player hand and outside repeat 3 take set player move to player move. And now go to robot hand and take set robot move to operators. Pick random 1, 2, 3. Only 1, 2, 3 because the fourth costume is robot hand in which we will shake and then show. So the robot hand will not be counted. It will be for shaking. Now again go to player hand and take if then from control. After that take a equal to sign from operators. Go to variables and take player move. If player move is equal to R, capital R, write the same which you have taken over here. If player move is equal to rock R, then looks switch costume to player rock. Now duplicate if player move is equal to P. Capital P I'll write because over here I've taken capital P. Switch costume to player paper. And now again duplicate if player move is equal to capital S. Switch costume to player scissors. I've taken capital S because over here I've taken capital S as you have written here. After if player move is equal to S, go to variables, take set round active to no outside the if then. Okay, now just drag this to the robot hand like we did to the other code. And now there are many changes in this. So for the robot hand, there is 1, 2, 3, not R, P or S because over here we have taken pick random 1, 2, 3. So the rock is for the robot hand equal to 1 and my paper is 2 and scissors is 3. So I'll write it accordingly and I'll change the switch costume to robot rock for 1, robot paper for 2 and robot scissors for 3. And now little more change. Just take the set robot move to R in the rock. Make it capital R. Now set robot move to capital P in the 2 if yours 2 is paper. And now in the scissors set robot move to S. And now remove this round active to no and go to events, take a broadcast message and take a new message called robot chosen. Broadcast robot chosen. And in robot hand we also have to change player move. Take out all the player move, go to variables and change it to robot move. Okay, and now see the effect, how it will work. Okay, I chose rock and the robot hand chose scissors. I chose paper now. Oh, now you saw that it's working multiple times, right? Okay, now go to the stage. It is the time for the longest code in this game till now. That is about the points. For that, first we will make 2 variables. The first variable is player score. And press OK. And now we can hide our player move and robot move because we don't want to show. Okay, now put this player score in a large readout and put it above like this that I have done. And now make another variable called robot score. Okay, now the robot score is going to be above the line of the robot section. Okay, so now let's take some sounds. Oh, I already have it. If you want, take the same sound. I'm saying the names of the sound. You can take them. The first one is drum boing. The next one is coin, is lose. And the next one is win. And make the lose and win softer. Okay, and now go to events. Take when I receive robot chosen. When I receive robot chosen, then take if then block, and inside this space take and to equal to's. Put one equal to block inside one section of the and the second in the other section. If player move is equal to R, means rock, and robot move is equal to P, then change robot score by 1. So we are doing the scoring type of, like in real, if you have done rock and I have done paper, then paper will cover the rock, so I win. So I got a point, means change robot score by 1. And after that, go to sounds, place sound, coin until done, and then control, stop this script. And now duplicate, put it here, and if player move is equal to R and robot move is equal to S, then you got a point because I am the robot. Imagine that I did scissors and you did rock again, and then rock can break the scissors. So change player score by 1 and play sound coin until done, stop the script. And now again duplicate. If player move is equal to R and robot move is equal to R also, then change player score by 0 and change robot score by 0 because no one wins because it's the same. So no points. And play sound drum boing until done. And one thing we have to set, go to player hand and set player score to 0, and in robot hand set robot score by 0. Okay, so I'll duplicate this, put it down. So a simple trick I'll tell you. Change the player move to P. The last 3, change the player move to capital P or small p, which you have taken over here. And now in robot move is equal to R. If player move is equal to P and robot move is equal to R, then change player score by 1. And now in the next, if player move is equal to P and robot move is equal to S, then change robot score by 1 because scissor will cut the paper. And after that, if player move is equal to P and robot move is also equal to P, the same thing over here also. Now duplicate the last 3 and put it in the last. In the last 3, change the player move to capital S. The first one, if player move is equal to S and robot move is equal to R, then robot gets a point because rock will defeat the scissors, it will break the scissors. And then if player move is equal to scissors and robot move is equal to paper, then change player score by 1 because scissors will cut the paper. And then if player move is equal to scissors and robot move is equal to scissors, then the same. Okay, this long code is done. Okay, now let's see the effect. Oh, nice. And yes, this sound also worked. Paper, paper, right? Yes, it worked. And I noticed that which I have chosen over here, of the robot hand, it's being in the same position. And then if the start move is received, then only switch costume to robot hand is there. So now a last change. And sorry for that. Instead of switch costume to player hand, just take switch costume to robot hand. And now go to stage, click on backgrounds and upload background. And now I will take robot win and you win. Okay, here is it. And now go to the codes, go to player hand and let's do the coding of you win and game over in player hand. So now we will take a forever loop. In the forever loop, take a if then block, and inside the if then take a greater than block from the operators, and inside the first take player score, and if player score is greater than 2, then control wait 2 seconds, events broadcast new message, that is you win, and then look hide, control stop all. Now duplicate this, put it down, and instead of player score take robot score and broadcast new message game over. Okay, and this coding is done. Now go to backdrop and now take when I receive game over, then switch background to robot win, go to sounds and take play sound loose until done. And now duplicate this, when I receive you win, switch backdrop to you win, play sound win. And the last part, that you have to hide every sprite. So go to events, from the rock wheel start, rock to robot hand, not in player hand because over here we have taken hide already. Go to rock, take when I receive game over, then go to looks, scroll down, take hide. Duplicate when I receive you win hide. And now put this code in every sprite and check if all are here. Okay, now our game is ready. Let's go on big screen and play the game. In 3, 2, 1, start. So I'll choose rock now first. Oh, I got a point because rock can break the scissors. Now paper. Oh, I got another point. Oh, robot got a point at the end point because rock can break the scissors, and again scissors I will do. Oh, I win because I got 3 points. And now let's play the game again. Oh, I got a point. Now paper I'll choose. Robot got a point, again paper. I got a point and again paper. Oh, robot got a point. And again paper. Oh, the same. Again paper I'll do. Again same. Now scissors. I got a point. So, it's working perfectly. I hope you like and understand this video. If you like, please subscribe, share to your family and friends. And yes, don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest update. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.